You may remember this Hyperion XP-1 hydrogen supercar. It landed in Las Vegas for the CES show, which is still, I guess, happening in a very minor way. This is the world's first hydrogen fuel cell supercar, which, of course, this is a technology that I suppose aims to compete with the likes of electric vehicles, except you can refill it. Hydrogen. They put out a video traveling down the strip. This thing is full supercar status, and I think maybe we'll get him to drive it up here. Will, what do you say? That should be no problem, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just get this one in the studio real quick. Down for that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, anyway, in the meantime, they're going to drive it through the desert, very slowly, might I add. I don't know if this is ready production sample or what this is, but they're just chilling coming through the desert, full camo on the vehicle, and they hit the strip and everything looks really cool. Well, this is certainly a supercar coming in at, I think, 2,000 horsepower. It's kind of crazy. Whoa. And pretty light. It's pretty lightweight, 2,275 pounds, because unlike an electric vehicle, there's no battery pack in there. Mm-hmm. It's using hydrogen. The XP-1 has carbon fiber tanks to store hydrogen, and the entire fuel cell supplies send power to 4 electric motors, which one of each is on each wheel. 500 horsepower at each wheel for 2,000 total. 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Top speed, 221 miles per hour. Again, that's the type of footage I'd like to see. The other cool thing is the range. You ain't going to see a supercar with a 1,016 mile range. That's 1,635 kilometers.
Nice.
So road trip in your hydrogen supercar, you just got to find places to get more hydrogen along the way, and that certainly is not ready for prime time. Either way, a very cool looking vehicle. Now, tell me something, Will. When you put the doors down on it, do you have a picture of it with the doors down? No, you're stuck now. You're dead. There you go. Tell me, is the driver's side window tiny or what?
Yeah.
Holy moly. I guess it's supercar status, but you're going to have to really get your head in the right position to see out of that thing the way it is right now.